Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Techrits and Berhad. We are LED display design manufacturer house. In front of us, this is a double-digit RS232 display, where I can see the height of the display is 370mm and the width of the display is 370mm. And the double-digit, one of the character size is 310mm. Let's start our presentation today. Where you can see this on the right hand side, the laptop, we connect to the hyper terminal. So let's connect to the connection. Once connect, then you can see that here are some sample file. So this is we preloaded the sample file earlier. So let's say I want to change to 31. I just copy this one. You still need to send 8 characters because this is our standard protocol. So when we post to here, and we paste, so we send, so start, so you change to 31. So if let's say I'm going to change to 75, so this is the pre-recorded message. So copy the hex file, and we throw to here. Of course, this part we need to delete first. So everything delete, then we paste, then send, then change to 75. It can be alphanumeric, and you can see these two display is changed simultaneously, change together. That means that with 75, of course we can change to different address because now we are using 001 address, so both also the same address. So if let's say you want to have a 01 at the first, 02 at the first also. Okay, so this is how it looks like. If you like my video, help us to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.